Very good morning, all the students. Welcome back to our online class. And today is Wednesday, June 17, 2020. Okay, everyone. So who can tell me what are the subjects that we are going to learn for today? So there are two subjects, right? The first is about Blueprint 3 and Writing Bright Book 2. Good. So for the first section, we are going to learn from Blueprint 3. Okay, good, everyone. So today we are going to continue our lesson, which is about lesson 4, University Rating, and teacher write go on means continue. We are still in unit 2, researching your options. And today we are going to continue our grammar sections. So the main topic for today is about use probably in the sentences. Okay, everyone, do you know the places of probably in the sentences? Okay, if you want to know about that, this video has the answer, so please stick around. Good. So there are 4 places of probably in the sentences. Okay, and today's video teacher will explain you briefly about that. So before we learn about this new topic, let's teacher ask you something regarding to what we have learned so far in the previous video. Everyone who can tell me what did we learn yesterday? Yesterday we learned about from blueprint 3. Yesterday we learned about grammar, maybe, perhaps, and probably. Okay, so you know all the about the definitions of all that's about maybe, perhaps, and probably, and also some example, right? Good. So before we get started with the new topic, let teacher review you about something that we have learned so far over here. Okay, good. Review, maybe, perhaps. Okay, how do we use maybe and perhaps in the sentences? Okay, we talk about something uncertain and not sure, right? And not sure, and the chance will happen to only 40 to 60% happened. Okay, good. What is the difference between maybe and perhaps? Perhaps and maybe have the same meaning, right? The same meaning. It's different to it's slightly different, just slightly different. Okay, so perhaps it's more common in written, right? More common in written than spoken English. Okay. Example: maybe, perhaps, I'll apply to Harvard. Okay. So maybe, perhaps have the same meaning, and the chance will happen just only 40 to 60% only. Okay. Next example, number 2, maybe, perhaps he won't graduate this year. Everything not sure, right? Everything not sure. If we want to use maybe or perhaps, we talk about something uncertain or not sure, and the chance will happen to only 40 to 60%. You got with this? Right. This is what teacher want to review you for today. We have learned right in the previous video, and teacher believe you catch up with this point already since we learned it yesterday. Okay, good, everyone. Now moves to our new topic for today is about use probably in the sentences. So there are 4 places of that. So the first is after the main verb be. After the main verb be. So after verb be, we can write probably in that place. Okay, after be. Let's see, be. Okay, so be in the present, am is are, right? Am is are. So after am is are, be can write it. Should be it, please, right? Probably, if you want to use probably in a sentence, in that sentence. Okay, so and in the past, Okay, we not talk about in the past, talk only present. Number two, before other main verbs, other verbs, okay? After verb 1. After verb 1 should be, no, not after, before verb 1. So mean after subject, right? After subject it should be probably in that sentence. Number 3, after helping verbs like will or be. After a helping verb like will or be or have, right? Or do, okay? Or do, or yes, may or might too. Right? Good, everyone. Number 4. Before a contraction with a helping verb. You know contraction? Yes, look at this. Not every negative sentence when we use with probably. So probably should be stay after subject, right? After subject, verb, then negative. You got this? Again, so there are 4 places of probably in the sentences. So the first is after the main verb be. So after main verb be, we can use it. We can write it. It is the place of probably. Number 2, before other main verbs. Before other main verbs mean before verb 1. So we use probably used after subject. Number 3, after a helping verb like will or be, right? Have you know all thing about be? Be also helping verb and will helping verb also, right? And also do and also may, might also, okay? Number 4, before a conjunction with a helping verb plus not. Mean before a helping verb plus not, right? You will see in the example. Then you will get clear with this. Okay. Now let's see the example all together, everyone. Example. So after verb, main verb be. So after MSR, he is probably, right? Probably a student. So you see this probably over here is stay after, right? After verb be. It's in the form after the main verb be. Okay. So after main verb be, we put probably. When we use to, okay, when we want to use probably in that sentence, so its place should be after, right? After verb be. Good. Number 2, they probably go to the university. So look at the word go, everyone. Go is the main verb, right? Verb 1. So go is the main verb. So where can we put the word probably? So it should be after the subject. Now you got this? Good. Number 3, the subway will is the helping verb, right? And modal verb also. Helping verb probably get him there. Probably get him there. So after helping verb will, like will or be. Also do, also may, might, right? So we use probably in this place. Again, the subway will probably get him there fastest. So look at this. Main verb be. Okay, main verb be. Probably going by subway. So yeah, everyone look at this. This is main verb be, and this is probably. Okay, you got with this. Next, number 4, they probably won't go to the same school. So look at won't from will not, right? You know, will is like modal verbs, and yeah, we use like a helping verb over here, and it should be okay. So it should be before, right? Should be after. Sorry, it should be after. But you see, not when we use in negative sentence with helping verb. Okay, with helping verb, we always put the verb probably after or before. Sorry, before that negative helping verb. Got with that? Mean helping verb plus not, so we have to use before it, as you can see here. You got with this, everyone? Okay, so again, use probably. So there are four. Okay, everyone, there are four places of probably in sentences. When we want to use it, we have to know exactly about it first. Number one, after the main verb be, so am is are. After am is are, we can put the probably in that place. Okay. Number two, before other main verbs. So before other main verbs mean after verb one. As you can see here, the verb go, the verb go over here. So it used after, right? We write after means before a subject. Number three, after a helping verb like will, be, do, have also. Okay, after a helping verb, every helping verb, after every helping verb. So yeah, we use after. Number four, before contraction with a helping verb plus not. So if helping verb plus not, so you have to put probably before it, right? The teacher said before, after, before, after. So after means be, verb be, and before mean verb, after helping verb, and before contraction or negative helping verb. Okay, good. Look at the example again. So look at this. Is verb be. Okay, it's the main verb be. So after main verb be, we can put probably. And look at this. They go. So look at go here. Go is the main verb. So before main verb. Okay. The subway will. So will helping verb, right? So after it, we can use probably, right? Every helping verb, so use after every helping verb. Yep. Let's see number four. They probably won't go to the same school. So with this negative with the helping verb, right? Helping verb plus not. So we use before it. Good. Now that's all with this, everyone. Our video is coming to the end, but before teacher finish this video, let teacher tell you what have we learned today. Okay, so today we review about some grammars like maybe and perhaps. Okay, so you know already exactly about maybe and perhaps. And for the main topic for today, we talk about the places of probably in the sentences. As you know already, and you can see the example. And yes, to use it, you have to know exactly about the places of probably in the sentences. And about the probably talk about something or a good thing happened, right? Good thing can be a good chance happened. Yes, happened, and chance of happens that 50 to 95%. Good. Now that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please have a nice breakfast, everyone. Goodbye.